Welcome. My name is Christian Skies, and in today's relaxing audio journey, you find yourself floating on a lake in a small wooden boat. You're laying down on your back in the boat, napping. The straw hat, which you have placed on your face, keeps the sun from disturbing your senses. You are so far from civilization that all you can hear is the water gently lapping on the boat and the few birds in the distance. No cars, no trains, no planes, no people. Just you, bathing in the gentle morning sun. Your fishing rod is solidly attached to your boat, with bait gently swinging underneath the surface of the water. You haven't caught anything yet, but it doesn't matter. You're here to relax, nap, and enjoy your needed time away from other people. You reach over to your right a little bit and find your water bottle. You slowly screw the top open and taste the pure mountain water within. Gently placing the bottle back, you lazily lay back down and let out a yawn. You readjust your hat, listen to your surroundings, and you allow the sounds to flow through you. You take a deep breath, counting to 5. You hold it for a moment, and then with each breath that you take, you allow yourself to feel just a tiny bit more relaxed. You take another deep breath, counting to 5. You hold it for a moment, and then with each breath that you take, you allow yourself to let go of any negative feelings brought on by city life. You take a deep breath, counting to 5. You hold it for a moment, and then with each breath that you take, you allow yourself to come one step closer to complete relaxation. Let us breathe for a minute and enjoy the sounds around us. Thank you for listening. I hope this audio journey has helped you unwind, or maybe even fall asleep. Even though these videos are a lot of fun to write, record and produce, they are also very time consuming. If you want to support my work and allow me to make more of these in the months and years to come, I have a few donation options down below in the description. Also, if you're curious about what kind of equipment I use to make these audio journeys, such as microphones, recorders and more, I have a link down below for that as well. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.